Kia ora. One of my recent videos was about the vowels being together, and there was a chart a little bit like this, and today I just want to talk specifically about this particular vowel blend here. So this is very mispronounced when people are pronouncing Māori words, and I wanted to explain why it's au and not ow. So here's my a, remember the pronunciation of the letter A, and here's my u. Au, au, I'm speeding up. Au, 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 au. So this is au. Because Māori is such a consistently pronounced phonetic language, every time you see au, it will always be pronounced O. Every time. So this is aho. Maunga. Aho is I. Maunga, mountain. This is whānau, family. Taupo, tauranga. Kauri, not kauri. And tiro, not tirau. So this O is very important to get right. It's in a lot of Māori words and a lot of Māori place names. There's plenty of time to practice it when you're on the road, out and about, seeing signposts, and it's really good to get this O, O, O instead of ow. So let's go once more. O, which is a short form of aho. Both of them mean I. O, aho, maunga, whānau. If you want to put the break in, you can, and just hear it slowly. Whānau, whānau. Taupo, taupo, tauranga. People say tauronga or tauronga. Tauranga, tauranga, tauranga. Kauri, our kauri trees are a taonga, so we need to pronounce kauri correctly. Tiro. Tiro is a place, and it's tirau, not tirau. So hopefully that will help you. You can do the same with all of these other vowel blends. You just put a break between each one. Oi, oi, ui, io, iu. And practice with the song that we did on the previous video. Ka kite.